Okay, so now that we've taken a look at Flipgrid, now we're ready to learn how to use it. Are you ready? Okay, so my navigators, raise your hands. Who are my navigators? Okay, navigators, your job today is you will be following along the instructions, you will be reading the instructions with me, and you will be making sure that your pilots are following the instructions correctly. You're helping your pilots today. Who are the pilots? Raise your hand. Okay, pilots, you will be using the iPad to follow along the instructions. You will be clicking the buttons and doing everything that your navigator and myself tell you to do. Okay, navigators, you will have a chance later in class to learn how to use Flipgrid, so don't feel left out if you're not doing it right now. Okay? Okay, so are we ready? All right, the first thing we need to do is look at our instructions. Now, make sure everybody is on A, logging in. Is everybody there? Okay, good. Let's go to A1. What does A1 say, Andrew? Click the Flipgrid app on your iPad. Very good. Okay, pilots, grab your iPads. The Flipgrid app is, it looks like a green plus sign right here. So go ahead and click on that. Okay, now mine. Okay, this is what you should see right now, right? There's a little box that says ESL 101. Does everybody see this? Does anybody not see it? Raise your hand if you don't see this box. No? We're all here? Okay, good. Now, if you are on your computer at home and you need to record a video, here's what you do. Navigators, look at A2. Make sure your pilots can see these instructions too, okay? A2, click on the class Flipgrid ESL 101. Don't do that yet. Not yet. You can also search for this Flipgrid using the flip code. See, it's in bold, right? What's the flip code, Annie? Right, CZ9TMF. Okay, so if you are at home or if you're on your iPad and for some reason ESL 101 is not there, all you do is you click enter a flip code. You will type in that flip code and that will take you to this. This will take you to our class Flipgrid, which is ESL 101. Does that make sense? Is anybody lost? No? Okay, very good. You don't have to use the code right now. No, that's a good question, Jenny. You don't need the code right now because the Flipgrid is already up. All you need to do is click on it. So let's do that. Click on ESL 101. It might take a few times. Okay, good. Now, you should all be at a screen that looks like the screen on the projector here, right? Okay, so let's go to A3. Find the assignment you are trying to complete. A3. Everybody there? Okay, find the assignment you are trying to complete. Now, the assignment will have the same name as the assignment in Google Classroom. So, right now, we are doing an assignment called Say Hello. Later in this class, you will do the assignment My Favorite Hobby. Okay. So, make sure that you read the assignment instructions. You see that's in bold? Read the assignment instructions because that will tell you the name of the assignment in Flipgrid that you need to post your video in. Okay? It will make more sense, I promise. Okay, so let's look at my screen up on the projector. Do you see where it says say hello next to strange pie face lady? Okay. Go to A4. A4. To start recording, click on the green plus sign at the bottom of the assignment. Okay, so here is my assignment, and here is the green plus sign. When I hover, it says add response. Okay, so pilots, let's click that green button under say hello. Ready? Okay. Ta-da! Now you should have a screen that looks like this. You should be able to see your face, and it will say record under you. Is everybody there? Yes, okay. Don't click anything yet. Don't click anything yet, please, because we need to learn what all these buttons mean, right? Okay, and you can find that in your instructions. Also, remember, you can find these instructions on Google Classroom at any time. So for your homework tonight, you will be making a short video at home. And if you're lost and you're like, I don't know what to do, go to Google Classroom and you will find these instructions there. Okay? All right, so now we are on B, recording your video. That's on the second page. Is everybody there? Okay, so look at the picture down at the bottom. Lovely picture of Teacher Bridget, and it shows the recording screen. Now go up here to your instructions, find B1. B1 should say record pause button. Does everybody see that? Okay, now look at the picture again. Can you find B1 in the picture? Right? What does it look like? Right, it's red. It's the big red button. Okay, so let's go up to B1 and read. Click this button when you are ready to record your video. Click it again to pause the recording. So you click it once to record. Once it's recording, you click it again, and that will pause it. Okay, any questions? Okay, let's stop for a moment. Everybody stop, put your iPads down, heads up. Is anybody lost? Is anybody like, I don't know what's going on? Anybody? Okay, I think, let's see. I think maybe Annie and Jenny might need help. Andrew, would you give them a hand real quick? Yeah, just make sure that they are on the recording screen, okay? You got it? All right, good. Thank you, Andrew. I appreciate that. Okay, so now let's look at our instructions. Look at B2. B2, sticky. Use this to write notes to yourself that you can see while you speak. These are notes only you can see. Your sticky notes will not be visible to your viewers. Okay, so let's look at the picture. Do you see B2 here in the corner? B2. Does anybody not see it? It's down here in the corner. Let's see. Can somebody help? Yes. Okay, good. Very good. Now we have B2. Okay. So let's try it. Pilots. Click on the sticky button, the yellow sticky button. Ta-da! You have a sticky. Okay. So let's write something in our sticky. I'm making a speech about animals. What should I write? What do I want to say? I don't know. Let's say my animal is a dog. And I want to say my dog is named Spot. So I can write that here in my sticky. And as I am making my video, I can look and say, okay, my dog is named Spot. I need to remember to say that. Stickies are really helpful, right? Because they help you remember to say things that are important in your speech. And look at this. Click the sticky button again. You should have 2 stickies. And 3 and 4. You can do a lot, okay?